Hello, my name is Eyevoree, and welcome back to It Takes Two.
Twisted version of reality.
Ooh.
I want to suck you one last time.
Nice,
What?
nice clay cheeks.
Thanks, Pep. I worked hard on them.
Molded them myself.
I grew them myself.
I'm in the crumb! Oh, I fell off the edge.
Get out of the crumb!
Hey, over here.
Uh-huh. I got it. Lift! I need lift! Daughter!
Rose! Rose! Honey! Rose! She can't hear us.
I know who's coming.
How are we gonna get over there now?
I know who's coming.
I can help. What? What was that?
What the hell?
Who was it? I don't know. Over here.
What?
Look. I know the way.
What? What?
I don't trust you.
What
I'll
is
take
that?
you there if you help me save my friends.
It's a hammerhead.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
Oh.
You mean May's toolbox?
Oh.
Yes, yes. That heartless woman.
Oh.
You know her?
Well,
Nope.
No, he
No,
doesn't.
no, no.
Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for her hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust?
Oh.
It's like burning alive, slowly.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Oh, I feel so bad.
Go to that big door over there.
I'm so sorry.
Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
This
Whoa!
Oh,
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Just
Wind
whistle.
Waker
What? Really?
music.
Oh!
Oh!
Cool.
What the hell?
We got a flying nail and a talking hammer.
Okay, perfect.
Let's go.
Not even close, baby.
Hey, look at this. All right.
So cute.
Damn.
That nail, Cozy. I don't want it in my eye.
Okay, well, don't
Woman.
drop that hammer on my toe.
Don't worry, I know how to handle things.
Oh, yeah, for me too.
Hit it
Last
into
time you
that.
used a hammer, you
Okay,
smashed your
okay,
own
hit it
thumb.
now.
Yeah, well, okay, I did.
That,
I was wrong.
The nail now.
I was wrong.
that didn't work. I think you have to throw it and then I hit. Yeah.
Oh! Oh, what the?
All right. Well, let's just
Oh,
jump down.
maybe
Wait.
you can. No, 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 no. Maybe you can like grab on. So if I go like this, see if you can like.
No.
No, I think there's something here.
This is so satisfying.
Smash! Hold on, hold on. Smash! Oh my god, you're literally just freaking. You're just Hondo you Donda.
Yeah. Oh, let
Yondu.
me see if I can do
Yondu
that.
Udonda. You're just Yondu. That's it.
See if you can jump on this. What else would it be for?
I don't.
Just try it.
Okay.
Can't.
No. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh. Now try it again at the thing, at the plug.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. What about that? What about that can that's up there? You look so funny. Okay. Let's go across the way then. Maybe you have to throw it at something over here. Oh, wait a minute.
Smash. Oh, wait. Do it again. Oh wait. Let me see. Hold on. Let me look over there. Do it again.
You gotta pin it.
Oh yeah. Do it again.
Pin it. Yeah.
In it.
Pin it. Good job.
Nail
Billy.
Damn it.
Maybe we can swing off that nail.
Yeah. Maybe we can. Hold on.
Hey,
There's
nice,
that.
nice. Yeah!
I'm dead. Hold
Maybe
on.
we can swing off that nail.
Hold on. It
Fuck!
says.
Guys,
Steady now.
Oh. Okay.
Sweet move.
Smash!
I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks,
Oh, I
Anna.
need you to throw the nail over here now. Oh, Jesus Christ! Yeah, in there. Yeah. Hey!
that was not intentional.
I don't believe
I literally
you.
didn't even mean to do that. Recall is E, and I was scratching my face. God damn it!
I don't believe you. Find Cody. Okay, well you have to throw it over here to this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Easier.
There.
How did I do?
Thank
Here's another nail.
you.
Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo!
No, I have to
Still over
pull this
here.
out, and then
Hello?
you have two
The
now.
brakes, please.
Sick.
Sweet.
Oh,
More ammunition.
Bash that shit!
Easy on me.
nice. Oh, sorry.
You can do
The
shit.
hammer. Sorry, buddy. Okay, hold on. Let me just check what these are. Oh no! I'm sorry. Okay, so hold on. Can you jump across? Okay, and
I mean, I
now
could jump across before. Oh.
yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on.
What?
Go up.
Uh-huh.
Oh, never mind.
Oh,
yeah.
I see. You have two nails. Come over here. Jump down. You have to pin them.
Oh,
Hold on.
go ahead. Hammer it. Hammer it!
Okay. Nice. There you go.
That's what I'm fucking.
Whoop. And oh, I just hit my balls.
That's throw my balls.
Oh, my head.
I cleared the way. You're welcome. Are you good? Oh my god. Hey, easy, chill. Nice nails. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ!
Without challenges make you grow. What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
When you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound,
Alright.
follow it. Keep following it, and you will find
The tambourine.
challenge you seek. Yeah!
Oh my god.
Welcome to your first couples challenge. Win or lose, you must do it together.
Alright.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to.
Nice.
All right, you want to give it a try?
We haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Me? Huh, no way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Oh, I'm
I'm
going.
going.
Bang!
Straight to your ass!
Whack a Cody. Wait a minute. What?
Oh.
Hit Cody. Ready?
Oh.
Pop up.
Okay.
Okay.
Head, Cody.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster than a mole.
My hammer's faster than that.
Peekaboo. Bingo.
Too slow.
I got you the cheeks.
That's it.
No!
You missed.
My balls!
No, not your cheeks.
I got this.
No, you're so good at this. You're so good at it.
Oh, crash.
I'll beat you next time.
No. Fuck. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead. I'm down.
Damn it.
And
A cute game. I'm fucking dead.
you killed me. I'm dead.
What the hell, man? Alright, that away.
Ah, the sweet sounds of machinery. There's nothing better.
I thought I was the engineer.
No, that was the hammer.
Hold on tight.
Oh. Whee! This way?
Something's over there. There's like a little hatch
There's
or.
another machine in the way here,
Where?
Cody.
Oh, there's a thing right here.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Wait, why are you gonna be sick? Oh, my hammer. Hold on, I'm not really sure.
No, there's something here that needs to be like lowered. Right here. Look at
Where?
me. Here. There's a hole I can nail through.
Well, look, there's this thing. Yeah, there's this. Oh! I popped you up. Oh, look. Now you can do it. Hey, Jesus! Watch where you're throwing those nails, bro.
And come on.
No,
come on.
don't you have to come in here?
Oh, I must.
Oh,
Match!
oh my God, Jesus! Smash what? Which? This?
Oh.
No, I have to go
Something
over
across.
there.
Wait, no. Look, there's like.
Yeah, I have to get over there. Hold on, I gotta get across this whole thing
Oh, it's just
first.
here then.
Yeah, you have to help me across this. This one. Yep. Hey, up. Hey, up. Hey, yep.
Whoppa!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh, this is a whole ass
I
obstacle
understand.
course.
Cody,
Oh
Don't
God.
screw this.
Oh, I'm already dead.
Yeah.
Don't screw them!
Don't screw this up.
Yeah. Just get to jumping.
Oh, I understand.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Whip. And alley-oop. And whee.
Whoppa!
Oh, I see. Yeppa. Oh, yeppa.
Hey! Oh. You let me down.
Wait a minute.
Get
I pressed it. I think you pressed it. Just leave that nail there. There we go. Hey, there we go.
Nice one.
Thank you. Oh, fuck.
Oh, sorry, hold on.
You can just let it spin. Okay.
Oh, let me. Okay. That one's gonna need more care.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
Spatial awareness! That's one of my, like.
No!
What
Wait,
happened?
it goes into the grinding. You need to do it after the grinder. You see? Oh, I'm fucked.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. There's like a.
There's no
gears.
after. I just have to do the inner line.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
It's going against the grain. I can't like do it after the fact.
I know. You leave him there. Leave him there.
Yeah. I got it.
I can go pretty far. Woo!
I believe in you.
Tickled my cheeks there. Woo! There we
Hero
go.
slide.
Hero slide.
Hero slide. Woo! Send me up, Chief. Woo!
One more nail. Pull it out.
Oh, hey.
Heads up, Cody.
Ah! I'm fine.
Got it. That makes 3.
Hero slide. Oh, hold on. Woo! Oh, there's a spot right there. Oh, yikes. Okay. Now follow it. Run, baby!
Boost me! Look
Woo!
at him fly!
place. Jump.
Great. Another
Oh
trust
boy.
exercise.
Alright.
What? You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
Oh, wait a second.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Whew. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, okay! Winnie! Okay. Alright.
Jump. Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Woo. Hold on. I don't. Oh, I see. Whew. All right. So far, so good. Hey,
You know,
there we
You
go.
have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
Oh, what the hell? Oh God. Oh, I just turned my camera around.
Bottle, help.
Bottle.
No. You're going too far.
Oh, bottles.
Thanks.
Sure.
There's the
You
toolbox.
got your
Both of
arm.
you, come on, help me break it open.
Oh, okay. I mean, I didn't even break it open.
Open up his brain.
Oh no! Can't do this to him like that. Oh no! Oh, he's pissed. Where are we going? Oh no! Oh, he screamed!
Get up, hurry.
Toolbox roaring.
What
What do we do?
Let's get that grimy toolbox.
Oh, you don't gotta talk about him like that.
Save you.
Oh God, he's shooting out rusty nails.
Oh,
That's how
no.
you get tetanus.
That's how you get tonight.
Stop playing hard to catch.
Oh no!
Help!
I can't. I'm coming. Oh Jesus!
I get away with this, you
Oh my God! Why do you have a nail through you?
Oh my God. Okay, I have to watch the shadows install for you. Bash it. Bash.
I'm bashing. Oh no! You nail in my ass. Go,
You
go,
got a
go,
nail
go,
in your
go.
hole. No, you. Come on. Come on, schnell. Schatz, ich brauche Hilfe. Ja.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh Jesus! Oh no! Okay.
Oh God.
Oh
Ow.
no! I've been X'd. I got shot.
I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Oh no! Heavy-headed.
Oh. Hey.
Oh no! We're both down. Oh. Okay, again.
My friends died.
Hold on, there's nails. Oh God, Jesus, hold on. Why is the music so intense?
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh God, I don't know what to do. I don't know if I can get that high.
No. Wait. Can you do that?
Yeah, I think so. No, I can't.
Oh no!
Wait. I think there's a piece on the side. Hold on.
Did he go from like there?
I think there's like another.
No, there.
Oh yeah. Let it down. Okay, like right there. Oh no, it's too late now.
Again. We made that way harder than we needed
Jesus.
to be.
Hold on,
Oh God!
I fell. Just stall.
I'm stalling!
Stalling!
Come on, baby, break the bottles!
Right there.
Right,
Get it!
baby, up there! Oh wait, do it again!
Hey.
Oh no, I'm down!
Cody,
Mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it.
Down! Watch out. Oh god, he's pissed! He's so rusty! Oh, what the hell? What? No! What the hell? Oh god! Not the boss!
Watch out!
Oh Jesus, he got us both. We expected it to be much faster. Pin him!
Got him, man.
Pin his ass!
Now get me to the other side.
Oh yeah, up his arm, up his arm.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Steady now.
Now I gotta mash him. Oh, what the hell?
Let those tools go!
Oh god. Oh Jesus. Oh, stop! Stop! Oh no, he scooped me! Don't scoop me, bro! Don't scoop me! Oh, he's gonna drill you!
Oh! It's a circular saw!
Oh no!
What the? This toolbox is crazy!
Oh
Yeah.
Jesus!
Next time I'm buying a smaller one.
Oh no! He's cutting holes! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! What is this? I'm in the hole! Stall, baby! Stall!
Run!
Oh Jesus! Okay, all right. Pin his ass. Watch out for
I'm
the
gonna
arm.
pin him to the ground, full homo!
Okay,
What?
okay, go, go, go.
Alright, go!
No, what? That was bullshit!
Quickly, mash, baby,
Try.
mash!
No, I gotta hold this one. I gotta hold this one.
Run, go, 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 go!
Oh, you let his arm go.
No, he let his arm go.
Oh no, he's laughing.
No!
Nothing's funny. Oh, he's drilling
No.
more. Wait, he's drilling more. You can't do that. Oh, Jesus Christ, you can't do that. No, no, no.
No, that's I was mashing. I barely didn't make it because you said it was a hold, so I held for the first half a second. But it's mashing.
With the heart?
Yeah, the
I
heart
hold
is
it.
mashing.
Steady now.
I'll try mashing next time.
Smash! You're going nowhere.
He's gonna scoop me. He's scooping me, bro.
Uh-huh.
Why do all of our appliances and toolboxes and storage hate us?
They've been abandoned because we have no hobbies anymore.
Oh no. Oh no, look at him, look at his weird mouth laughing. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh, got me! Ah. Okay, I'm mashing it, I'm mashing it. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta be fucking me.
Okay,
Alright, here
okay,
it comes.
Okay, okay, okay.
I pin him. Boop.
Alright,
And I go
alright.
Bloop. Bloop.
Hold on tight.
Smash it! Smash, 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 smash!
My steel toolbox.
Taste my skills!
Taste my
Oh,
ass.
no, no, he's scooping me! I'm fine. Oh,
What
hammerhead,
else?
watch out! Oh no, what's this? Oh,
Oh!
what? Oh, no one's gonna shovel us! Oh my god, stop!
Oh, I know what I have to do. No, 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 hey! You gotta hammer him, baby.
What? I'm supposed to hammer him while he's doing that? I don't understand!
Can't we talk?
I'm gonna nail him to the ground.
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Oh! No! Bullshit! That was bull.
Oh, no, no,
Oh! Jump up on him!
Oh, you pounded me into the ground.
You can't nail it. You're supposed to get on the scooper and then I
Oh, I
hit
get it,
it.
I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it now, I
What?
get it now, I
That
get it now.
killed
Oh my god!
How did that
Shot!
kill me?
Come on, baby, please, Christ, go! Send me over! Yeah.
Go! Nice.
Need more.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, no! Oh,
Get out the
I'm
way.
trying! Oh, God, he cut off! He's cutting pieces off!
Oh.
Oh, my God, he's cutting pieces
Oh.
off. You can't
Balls.
do this. You can't do this. You can't. Can he do this? Is this allowed?
No. 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 Oh my God! Please, God, no!
Oh my God, there's no more surface area.
No!
This is bullshit. This is a Dark Souls boss. Oh, bullshit!
I'm built
I
different.
guess.
Go, send me over, baby.
To the moon!
To the moon! Oh!
Okay, one more, one more. Oh my God. Oh my God, okay.
No!
Okay, hold on. He's just gonna smash it. He's just gonna smash it.
Oh,
What? Drop it, drop it, drop it!
Drop it!
Oh no! Hurry!
That spray can!
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh good, click it on, get on,
Debbie,
get on! No! To the moon! Woo! Oh Jesus,
Oh, shit!
we're down.
Oh.
Hey, look, our friends! Hi, friends!
I'm ready. I'm so ready for this.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh God, oh Jesus!
Oh, his eyes!
Oh God!
You went, oh, there we go. Thank you.
Oh, I don't like that.
Look at me. I'm home.
I feel like I'm supposed to look away.
You
I'm not old enough to see this.
Toolbox. Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Thanks.
Thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to
Oh.
those.
Oh, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out?
Damn,
get to
she
the
said.
other side.
Anyway,
Flexible.
Step on board.
Okay, sure.
Come on, it's safe.
Okay, ooh,
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
okay.
Don't worry. He's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Sebastian! Oh God. Well,
She's leaving!
thank you.
Wait, we need your help.
Oh no! Wait, Rose.
Mom and Dad! Don't close the door!
Oh.
You fucking guy! Come on!
Stupid book.
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here.
Stuckness is a mental construct.
This guy, I swear to
Let's
God.
open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man. Woo! Let's
I
Kick
showed,
him!
showed
Kick
her
him in
his
the
ass.
ass! Kick him in the ass!
Okay.
Shove their hammer up his ass.
And if you cough at the window, I will literally kill you. What?
If you try to open the door, I will fucking
It's
kill you!
absolutely shocked.
Oh,
Hey,
I'm
hasta
dead.
mañana, motherfuckers!
Woo!
What? What? That was bullshit.
I will turn you into salsa! Hey!
What am I saying right now? Hey, the magnetism on these lines is really fucked up.
Oh, woo! 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 Hi, baby. Oh!
Hello, baby. Oh, she's dead. Who's next on you, baby?
Who's like, oh, you, baby? Woo!
You're the bit of a time on you, baby.
Had a bit of a burn. See you later.
A bit of a minute of time.
Woo! Nice, nice. Ghost ride the whip. Wait, what's that? Look.
Oh, there's more.
I pressed F and then it just fucking killed me.
Eat. Oh, go. Wait, where's the other one?
Yo, when did I learn to
Time this together.
skateboard?
One more time.
Oh, you go up the line on the right, and I go up the line on the left.
Hold on. What?
No. There's a metal piece over there.
Oh, okay.
Let me go first. Wait. Now go. Go, baby. We're going with this one. Yes, click that motherfucker.
Woo! Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah, slap.
Hey!
Oh, nice.
Oh, and I'm dead.
Go, you beautiful piece of ass.
And
Oh, no.
he didn't know he had to do these ones again. Okay, ready? Go!
Yes.
Slap it! Nice! Slap it! Nice! Very nice. Slapping would be nice.
ready to slap?
Eh? Slap.
Slapping would be nice. You want to slap?
Oh! Whoa!
Ole.
I'm fine.
What?
Oh!
Okay, that was bullshit.
Hey, look, it's your old binoculars.
Amazing.
Hey!
Let's find Rose.
Oh,
Oh.
Rose. Yeah, we need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Wait, in here? All right.
Take a look into my asshole.
Oh, I look dead. Am I dead?
You're not dead.
What's going on?
Oh.
Oh, no. What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
Just like that? You didn't see anything else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
Oh.
I know, quite unusual for Rose, but I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Oh, Jesus.
Tears were falling. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Ridiculous, Cody. You've got to apply logic.
Hey, man, Cody's on the right
we
track.
are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. There is no logic in that.
He's got
I
a
don't even
point.
believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly. It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space, I need to think. Okay, so, if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it...
Oh, my God.
Oh. In order to break it, we have to
Cry.
reverse it through her tears! Boom!
Right.
Okay, we basically have to find her
And
make her cry.
make her
at us.
cry by injuring her.
Okay.
Oh, and we kick her in the shins
We
until
kick
she
her
starts
ass.
Do you
swallowing.
know where to find
We
her, Mr.
fuck her up.
Oculus?
She's in her room. Go on.
Okay.
Go on,
Thanks,
then.
on me.
Oh, but how do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climbed the tree.
Oh. Not easy, huh?
Oh, this way.
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me.
Oh.
Ah!
Ah.
Oh, God damn it!
Let me throw it.
God damn it, Hakeem!
Well, throw us the rope. It's too far.
Good. Where there is love, no distance is too far.
Oh, shut up and just throw
Stop
the rope.
thrusting!
Okay, man, relax. Come on, huh? You want the rope? You want the rope? Come on, you want it? You want it? Come on, take it. Woo!
God damn it. Fucking Hakeem. I swear to God, this guy.
All right, let's swing across.
As soon as I'm done,
Whoa, that tree is huge.
I'm burning
Don't worry
that
about
book.
it. The ropes will take us to Rose in an instant.
Alright. Just gotta slap it with a rope. Ants! They're ants!
Oh, I told Rose not to throw her shoes up here.
Oops. I told her I did that when I was a kid.
So you're the
What
guilty
shoes?
She's outgrown them anyway.
I don't see shoes.
Look down.
Look down.
Keep coming to me.
Hey, look. Hold on. There's a paper airplane.
Throw it.
Here we go.
That's it? Just throwing it? Just for funsies?
There you go. No, come here, look. No, there.
Choose. Choose this. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, baby!
I blame
What
you.
is this?
Take responsibility for my
What is
actions or
that?
blame you.
Blame you!
Did you build a treehouse for Rose?
No? Why do you ask?
There
Huh?
are windows.
Oh. Who could have built those?
Yeah, there's freaking window.
Bugs.
I don't know, but this is a cute little pathway.
Hey, there's our swing.
Finally, a use for that thing.
Let's get across.
Why is it way up here? Oh, I guess this is just to keep the rope together at the top.
Yeah.
I want a tire swing. Throw it! Through the window. Woo!
Still got it.
No.
I don't see a way to get to Rose's room yet.
Let's get higher.
Oh, you bounce.
Ooh, weird but useful.
You bounce on the mushroom. Whee!
Bouncy.
You're a clay man.
Doing up here.
Looks like a pulley controls it.
It's still choppy. Somehow.
Oh, we gotta jump on this. And he's down.
Grab on.
I'm dangling! I'm dangling! Other side, babe. Other side. Quit touching my ass!
No!
Look, Cody, a
God
door.
damn it.
Door in a tree? I don't like it. We gotta get to Rose's room.
Can't you see how far away it is?
Yes, I can see how far away it is. That's why we gotta keep moving.
Maybe there's someone inside who can help us.
Really?
Yes. There's a door, man.
Whoa, wait. What are you doing? We don't know what's inside there.
Come on, it might be a shortcut to the house.
What if it's not?
That was
What
such a
if it's-
delayed knocking. Oh,
What?
it's a squirrel. A squirrel.
Peace.
We're trying to get to the house.
House. What's your business there?
Oh my God, what is
What time
this?
it is. Is this a shortcut or not?
Why is he dressed for battle? Oh! What?
Great. Oh, I told you this was a bad idea.
Not helpful. Come on, help me push.
Oh no.
It's too heavy.
Oh
Glass jar.
no.
Well, at least we can see through it.
Oh, that's great, May. We're imprisoned, but the view is amazing.
True.
Dad?
Daddy?
Dad, I have to tell you something. It's important. Have you heard of this book by Dr. Hakim?
Oh, I've heard of it.
He says that it's important to forgive each other. Because then you can become friends again.
Well, Dad?
If you want, you can borrow the book.
Oh no, don't do this. Oh no, stop!
Sorry.
Oh no, stop, stop, I'm gonna cry.
Oh, God. Way to go, Dad.
Cody, are you okay?
Those bottle caps?
Been better, but I'm okay.
Oh, my God.
Look at your tiny feet.
Tiny feet.
Oh gosh.
For the wasps.
The wasps?
Wasps? Don't play dumb. Did they send you here to kill us?
What? Look at his pencil behind his ear.
We'll see whose side you're on. Pull a switch.
You got it, Chief.
What?
Oh, no.
Get away!
What? Yo, stop! Stop! What is this? What kind of torture chamber is this?
Boss, it doesn't look like they're on the Wasp's team. And why don't they die? Maybe they have superpowers. What if they can help us?
Let's find
Look at his battle wound.
Abort.
Oh my God, he has a blind eye. Oh, they're gonna suck him in?
Yeah, you?
Just about.
That was terrible.
Horrendous.
Hey,
Why don't
Damn superpowers!
Mr. Big Squirrel.
Look at his knife.
Oh my god, it's my knife.
You want to get to the house?
Yes.
We can get you there.
Please.
Really? That's very, kind.
On one condition.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Follow me.
I
Okay.
don't like his very sharp, very polished knife.
I know, what the hell?
Want to go?
Oh my God. He's seen things.
Oh.
Wow. They must be real hoarders.
Oh my God.
Mate, that's our remote control.
Oh.
They stole it.
Those sneaky rodents.
I like the fat one.
Only photos. What could they want with those?
I don't know. Oh, you look good. Hey, that's my underwear.
Hardly a loss.
Oh no!
Oh, it's so dirty.
Used to.
Oh.
No, not the safety briefing. No, it's taking me back.
The wasps have invaded our tree and wiped out most of our tribe.
What?
You two must kill them.
What?
What? We can't kill those crazy creatures. You nuts? No, thanks.
Don't worry. You'll just survive too.
Against a whole swarm of them, surely we'll die.
That's why you're going to need this. My latest in cyber hazelnut technology. The tree
Huh.
sap upshiking.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Combined with a drill bazzer X200.
Not the drill bazzer.
Oh!
There's
What?
one more thing.
They're matches.
We sent in an undercover agent who would operate our queen robot.
As planned, the wasps believed the robot was their real queen. But instead of wiping out the wasps, our agent was seduced by its power and switched sides.
Oh no.
So, kill the wasps, the agent in the robot, and we'll help you get to the house. Understood?
Oh no.
yeah, sure. But isn't there a more civilized way that we can? Whoa!
No. No.
Really don't want to have to kill giant wasps.
Well, you wouldn't have to if you'd cleaned out the hive.
What? What hive?
Remember? In the real world? In our tree? I asked you so many times and you promised to get rid of it.
Yeah, fine. But we wouldn't even be here if you hadn't knocked on the squirrel's door.
Well, at least they're gonna lead us to the house.
What are you kidding me? You believe that?
Hey,
I
you
don't trust those
can't
squirrels.
die.
They
This
stole my
is easy
underwear.
peasy.
Oh, believe me, that was a blessing.
Really? Well, at least my underwear is now a sophisticated part of a flying machine.
I sincerely doubt it can fly.
Of course you do. Gah. You know what? I can't wait to get back to my real body so that we can get divorced.
Oh, me too.
Oh no. Oh, worse.
Hey, what now?
I guess it's time to kill some wasps.
What? Alone?
Oh.
Hurry, we've got weapons.
You mean these homemade squirrel DIY drill bazzer type shanky things?
You saw how
I'm sorry,
powerful they
what?
are. Let's drill, Baz.
Oh god. Things aren't looking good, friends. I'm unconscious and Grant is dissociating, staring out the window. So it's not good. And we've been captured by squirrels. So yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching. Thank you everyone for the likes, the subs, the comments, and the love. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!